Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to save websites as PDF document in Chrome browser. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Print. Select Save as PDF. Click Save. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.